I'm going to remind you of a couple of things in here. I want to point out I've got some merged cells like at the top of these unit names. This is cells from columns I, J, K, L, and M, and N all merged together. I've used this button right here. If I click on it again, I unmerge those cells. And when you unmerge, the contents of all the merged cells end up in the left, far left one. And so to do that, you select a bunch of cells and then just merge them together. And that remerged those. Sometimes when you're moving columns around, if you're wanting to insert lots of stuff, you might need to do some unmerging first to free up the space for that. I also want to point out that our code up here that did the milestone counters, those got messed up a while ago. That's fine. We're going to fix those later. We're going to have to reprogram those after you've set up all of your units so that each unit is correctly counting the steps in your unit. So that'll be one of the last things that we do. So sometimes if you're inserting rows, you can right-click and insert columns that way. You can come over here and insert rows this way if you need to. And I already showed you how you could insert lots at once. You can even move things around. Maybe you decide this unit belongs somewhere else. Select all the columns that make up that unit. Click on the first one, shift click on the last one, and then you can use the hand that appears as you mouse over the top, and you can simply drag that whole group of columns wherever you want it to. Maybe it belongs in this section over here. You can see that that arrow right, that line right there underneath my hand is indicating where this group of columns is going to go when I let go of the mouse, and boom, they all pop in. The colors don't match, but you know, there's more to life than matching colors. And so you can move columns around and move things around as much as you need to.